Do you want to register your company but do not know how? Then this video can help you. Hi guys, welcome to Virtual Auditor. Today we will discuss step by step on how you can register your company. We will discuss about important documentation and then we will discuss what and how to register 3 different types of companies. First basic requirement is company owner's ID proofs like PAN or Aadhaar card and address proof. Next, you need an office address. You need to choose the right structure, one person company or private limited company or public limited company. One person company, there will be only one shareholder, and private limited minimum of 2 shareholders and directors, and for public limited it's 7 shareholders and directors. Registering a private limited company requires a support of CA or CS or lawyer as the legal procedure are involved in it. It's a complicated process, but one does not need to worry as our team of experts will take care of these issues. Step 1. Choose a company name and apply Run. Reserve unique name form, name availability. Step 2. Obtain digital signature, DSC and form SPICE INC 32, e-form used for company registration. Step 3. Drafting of MOA in SPICE INC 33 and AOA in SPICE form. Step 4. PAN and TAN application along with form SPICE INC 32. Step 5. Apply for ESI and PF registration along with company registration. Step 6. Apply for GST registration. Step 7. Apply for Shop and Establishment Act registration. Apply for Shop and Establishment Act registration with local labor that your establishment is fully compliant with local labor laws of the state. Step 8. Apply for Professional Tax registration. Apply for professional tax registration with local labor that your establishment is fully compliant with local labor laws of the state. It's also called as PTRC. So the next time if you are someone who wonders how to register a company in India, you can easily log into our website and use our services. Now that you have understood the steps involved, if you want a good CA or advocate, then you can call us to discuss. Thanks for watching this video and you may contact us on 996 2260 333. Thank you.